Expressions quiz conflict. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about dealing with conflict. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. You have 5 seconds to give your answer before I'm gonna move on to the next item and give you the correct answer. If you think 5 seconds is not enough, you can pause the video. Number 1. My sister and I were going at it tooth and nail last night. A. Biting and scratching. B. Arguing angrily. C. Screaming loudly. Going at it tooth and nail means letter B. Arguing angrily. Number 2. Do you ever take sides if your children are fighting? A. Support one against another. B. Refuse to support either. C. Support both equally. Answer: take sides means letter A. Support one against another. Number 3. Is getting even with someone who's done the wrong thing to you a good idea? A. Getting angry. B. Doing wrong in return. C. Being friendly. Getting even means letter B. Doing wrong in return. Number 4. I've tried to make peace with Jenny, but she's still too angry with me. A. Be peaceful. B. Be less violent. C. End the dispute. Make peace means answer. It's letter C. End the dispute. Number 5. After drinking too much, Jimmy was spoiling for a fight. A. Tired of fighting. B. Wanting to fight. C. Not a good fighter. Spoiling for a fight means letter B. Wanting to fight. Number 6. Neighbors who've been fighting for years find it hard to let bygones be bygones. A. Forget their past conflicts. B. Continue their past conflicts. C. Recall their past conflicts. Let bygones be bygones means letter A. Forget their past conflicts. Number 7. Those countries have been at loggerheads for many years. A. Fighting a war. B. Closely cooperating. C. Strongly disagreeing. Answer is at loggerheads means letter C. Strongly disagreeing. Number 8. If the conflict is allowed to come to a head, war is possible. A. Continue much longer. B. Slowly get better. C. Suddenly get worse. Answer is letter come to a head means suddenly get worse. Number 9. Revealing the president's past crimes has set the cat among the pigeons. A. Caused much trouble. B. Solved many problems. C. Surprised many people. Set the cat among the pigeons means letter A. Caused much trouble. And number 10, last item. If you get into an argument about politics, she'll probably get the better of you. A. Lost the argument. B. Win the argument. C. Get upset. Get the better of you means letter B. Win the argument. So this video ends here about expressions quiz. Thanks for watching.